Chrome. 1 bag of ice. Oh, watch this. Watch this. This is why you should buy this bag. All right. 1 bag of ice, and then 1 bag of Aperol. Ooh, 1 bag of Prosecco. Boom! It is the backpack designed for booze hounds and cocktails. Look at it, and it's waterproof. How cool is that? Aperol Spritz according to Vogue magazine. We've got 60 ml of Aperol, 90 ml of Prosecco, and 300 ml of soda. Now I didn't get any oranges because I just didn't. So I got blood orange and mango infused water. So I figured that's the same. Let's just grab your favourite drinking thing. Aperol, where are we? This bad boy. This is $28. Wait, that's a rip-off. That is bullshit. 60 mils of this. That's 60 mils. Does it even have alcohol in it? I'm sure it does. For 28 bucks it better. 6.1 drinks in the entire bottle. 90 mils of Prosecco Spritz. Let me get this shit off. Yeah. Actually, you know it's good because it's got a cork and it's got a hole in the bottle apparently. That means the deeper the hole, the better the drink. Try not to lose an eye. Woo! Oh, 2, 3. Flavor Flay. Oh no. That just means I have to drink it all tonight because it doesn't have a normal lid. Soda / orange, 300 mils. I'm pretty sure this won't even fit in that glass. I've still got to add ice, and ice is Aperol's best friend. Oh no. That is not going to work. I have an idea. And for the magic of the internet, Jim Beam glass, because that was 150 mils. I need to add 300 mils of soda water, so that glass is not competent. Put that in there, and then I've got to add my next 350 mils to make it 300. Have I fucked up? Bell's Pure Ice, pure Australian water, and just there we go. Put that in there. All right. Cheers, big ears. Happy bum and no babies. That's a good Sunday drink. Today, see you later.